Today we're in Charleston, South Carolina, and we'll be visiting Charleston's most visited plantation, Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. The drive there was down a 2-lane, tree-lined road, very different than what we see in Florida. At least the part of Florida we live in.
There's a whole sign there. Oh my goodness, this is so cool. Here we go.
You've arrived at your destination.
Magnolia Plantation. Zulu.
Find it, guys. Find it. Find it.
Oh my goodness, look at this scenery. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. Oh, it's like out of a movie. A dog?
No, I want one. But
You
my
want
wife
one?
was like,
No.
do they
These
shed
are-
a lot or not?
They do shed, but it's the baby hair, you know, but
Onward!
let's go! Oh my goodness, this is so cool, man.
So there's a big old wooden boat, and you'll notice that right in the middle of the big old wooden boat is a fire pit. Now why don't I think that's a good idea? I don't know. The size of that spider right there.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Oh, there's another bridge. Wow, there's like bridges.
Oh wow. Yeah. Come on, Granny.
Are we going over another bridge?
Another bridge.
Another bridge. There's another white bridge.
Long white bridge.
That was the short. We're going over the long.
Caution, do not feed or approach alligators. We just found a random snake and picked it up. I love it.
You taking him home?
Yeah.
Is it yellow?
Looks exactly like our striped-bellied sandstone. Oh, it's like a
Common
garden.
garters.
You're visiting Ohio, but you came to...
Yeah, so it's my brother-in-law's 50th.
Oh, it's different.
Aren't you sure can I please have his camera?
Come on, guys. That's like out of Jurassic Park.
Thanks for joining us on our adventure today. If you haven't subscribed yet, we invite you to do so, and make sure you ring the bell. Have a great day.